Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a blue mojito. First, gently muddle about 8 to 10 fresh mint leaves with 2 lime wedges in your glass. This releases their aromatic oils without making them bitter. Next, add 2 ounces of white rum, 1 ounce of simple syrup, and 3/4 of an ounce of blue curacao. This combination forms the base of our vibrant drink. Once your base is ready, fill your glass completely with ice. Then, pour in the 2 ounces of white rum and 1 ounce of simple syrup. Now, for the magic, add 3/4 of an ounce of blue curacao. This liqueur not only adds a beautiful color, but also a subtle orange flavor. Stir everything gently to ensure all ingredients are well mixed and chilled. To complete your blue mojito, top it off with about 3 ounces of club soda. This adds a delightful fizz and lightens the drink. For garnish, gently clap a fresh mint sprig between your hands to release its fragrance, then place it in the glass. A lime wheel or wedge on the rim adds a professional touch. Your stunning blue mojito is now ready to enjoy. For the best blue mojito, always use fresh mint and limes. You can adjust the amount of simple syrup and lime juice to suit your taste, making it sweeter or more tart. If you want a deeper blue, you can slightly increase the blue curacao, but be mindful of its flavor contribution. Serving your mojito in a chilled glass also enhances the refreshing experience. Enjoy crafting your beautiful blue drink.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.